Here we are at the ReVISION house, and we're excited to be a part of this project too with KraftMaid Cabinetry and Denova countertops. A great fit for a green home for a variety of reasons, but what I want to talk a little bit about is some cool technology that we've introduced to help builders sell homes. So we worked with Google, and our partnership with them includes developing, at this point, over 2,000 cabinet models as 3D images that are now in the Google 3D warehouse, and builders, designers, architects can all download those and design beautiful kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, home offices, any space in the home where you might need cabinetry or countertops. We can take that 3D model of the kitchen, we can share it in many, many ways, including an iPad, a smartphone, and we can even take it out to social media like Twitter, Facebook, etc. When we introduced the KraftMaid collections at the Google 3D warehouse, we were surprised at how much pent-up demand there was for some really high-quality models that builders and architects and designers could use in their designs. We actually reached a point where we were getting over 3,000 cabinet downloads a day. Well, one of the reasons was KraftMaid created the smartest collection of cabinet models that exist in Google SketchUp. When I say smart models, what I'm talking about is the fact that you can download those, switch the cabinet size to anything we make in a particular model on the fly in your designs. Well, that's a real convenience when you're designing, and if you have a client who says, gee, I like this, but is it available in a different size? So all of these are ways that we're helping the builders to sell homes faster because we know that's an important goal for them.
Here at the ReVISION house, we have great style to share with you. For example, it has an influence of Mediterranean design, but with an influence of modern, making this a Mediterranean modern kitchen. The home is wonderful. The kitchen is in an alcove. It's very special in its own space, but very close to the open areas of the home. Another great thing about this KraftMaid kitchen is the combination of 2 wood species and 2 finishes. For example, we're including maple, canvas, a painted finish. We also are incorporating, such as in the island and the hutch wall cabinet near the sink, beautiful cherry peppercorn. The warmth and depth of a cherry finish mixed with a light and airy painted finish makes a great complement for this Mediterranean modern kitchen. One of the reasons I really enjoy working with KraftMaid is because of all the decorative enhancement the line offers the builder and the consumer. What's nice about these enhancements, it might be a cove or a molding or a top crown treatment or the accent within the door design. Each one of these elements have been carefully thought out and created with relationships, so the beading and the cuts and the lines of this gorgeous kitchen relate and make design easier and a better solution for the total design in the home. In this kitchen, we have wonderful interior accessories. Function is also an important part of the KraftMaid product. For example, placing tray divides above an oven, making them very handy and easy to grab and place at use. An open work island, as shown in this kitchen, allowing for great work surface with Denova countertops, but then also open shelving below for easy to grab and display items. To the sink, to the drawers with cutlery dividers, to wood tier cutlery divider, to drawer adjustable dividers, making everything fit within the drawers just as you'd like them, including pull-outs, roll-outs, rotating corners. Everything you're looking for is here in this KraftMaid kitchen. Even though modern is very strong in design, furniture influences in design is also important. And this kitchen incorporates furniture touches throughout the design. For example, the wall cabinet as an accent has the beauty of carved molding at the top, the graceful door design with the X and the acanthus touch in the button, to a beautiful molding and corbel surrounding the bottom of this wall cabinet. And inside the wall cabinet, having a contrasted back as part of the KraftMaid cabinetry, making it easy to install but also light in the interior, adds contrast and interest, which is oftentimes seen in furniture but now brought into the kitchen to make the kitchen more interesting. In the ReVISION home, one thing that I think is really interesting is the great room influence is still here, which is very important for consumers and the lifestyle they want to live in their home. But the KraftMaid kitchen is actually tucked within an alcove that has adjacent to it the entertainment spaces, the pub hearth area to the dining space all around the kitchen. So the kitchen has its own work area, a little tucked in but wide open to the entire house and accessible.